Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I'm with an update of the next required function, which is replace words. So I have taken the list you have provided for the find words and replaced, and so you just gave me a word. I stretch this in front of each and every entry. So event will be replaced by this, and all of these will be get replaced by this, as you can see in the heading. Let me mark this heading as a heading. Okay, so this is the list which you can obviously append and add more and more words to it. Um, and once if you don't want to have any word in front of that, you just need to enter delete in here, or you can always leave a space blank in here as well. Okay, so I'll keep this word delete in case if you want to just make sure that what you are doing is you have not missed it, you want to delete it. Okay, regarding the time, yep, actually the problem here is that I'm a developer, and when I'm working on something, I have so many options and so many things in my mind, but we always try to get what exactly is the client is required to do with. So whatever your requirement is, if you can tell me exactly with an example, okay, this is the word, and if the word is there, I want to replace it with like that. But still, if there is any further question, I'll let you know. I'll anyone can ask you. So I have some problem in here. So there are two types of replace words. Like this is the word which I just copy pasted from here. So if you are saying that if there is a word in a cell, so there is only one word, caravan. So the caravan will get replaced with the word state. But if the caravan is in between of any other word, like if there is a paragraph in a cell and there is a word caravan in between, so it will not consider that as a whole word. So this is single word replacement. This is what I was trying to tell you. So I don't know what kind of data you have. Will there be a word caravan in one word in one cell only, or there will be a text with something in before the word caravan and something after the word caravan, or maybe there is a space. So if there is a word, for example, if there is a word caravan ss, let me add some, let me add anything to it. Caravans, let's take s only. So if there's a word caravan, so what do you think? Will this get replaced with the state? No, because this is exactly trying to find out the word caravan. Whereas the other way to do this is this. So if I'll do a caravan with an S and without S, and there is some text before the word and some text after the word. Some text means like some text. There could be a O or no spaces, or there could be a space in after this. So what this is going to do, this is going to find out the sequence of these letters. Doesn't matter if there is a word after that or before that. So carava will be get replaced. So let me show you. So you can see there are two examples of caravans with an S and without S. There is spaces in after. Let me add a space after this one. Let me add a space before this one, before and after this one, and something. I'm just trying to make a combination. So I'll show you the first one. Yes, the second thing in my mind is that how would you like to do it? Like for the sheet one, for the first task, these are the uh, these are the inputs it is taking. So whatever the word, I don't know why the result example is here. So I'm taking this as input. So these are the word. This is the range where you want to, like from B3 to onward. This there is a list on which you want to apply the criteria and calculate the values, like adding the 400%, 250%, 200%, or plus 23%, and then rounding it to nearest 0.099, 4.99, or 9.99. So these all criteria will get applied on this. Similarly, to work on this find and replace thing, matching the word and replacing, I want to know what exactly range you are going to use, or is there a specific column or a row on which you are trying to apply? If not, then what? Then there could be another way that if I will select all of these cells, let me select the half of these, and now if I will apply, so what this will do, whatever the cell I have selected, this replace word will only apply on this one. Let me show you. See, caravans not replaced because it is finding exact matches, and it can't find the caravans in our list, so it won't replace with the state. Rest of these, you can see all of these got replaced with state. So basically the way we are doing is here, uh, a dynamic selection and replace word with exact matches. So you can state it, summarize it like this: dynamic selection with exact matches. Let me undo these, and then let me select all of these. So if I'll select all of these but not this one, and again do this, see, this selection, dynamic selection with exact matches. Let me do undo again, and I okay. Let me do one more time with some empty cells at the beginning. Oh, and I'm selecting only one column. Find it. Okay, all of these done with exact matches. This is not exact match in our list, so it won't get replaced. Now there is another way, replacing from a string. So any word which is having the word caraway, doesn't matter if there is a s after that. Let's see what it does with that, with the s and without s. So now I'll be using the second function, replace from string. See, it replaced and left the s extra x after it. So these are the things which are not clear, because I don't, when you are working on a code, you don't want to replace, go back and modify again and again for the. So so if you can give me exactly, okay, this is what I was asking you on the chat as well. What on what range, and I think I've left some comments on this sheet as well. Yep. So I'll please specify the reference range to be evaluated. So this is last, I think 6 hours back, 8 hours back. So this is what I was asking you, what exactly reference on which you want to apply, like for change of the words. So I was expecting that you are going to replace those, and once you are replying to these questions, I'll get the email and then I'll get back to this file. So never mind. So I just told you that you can select one column or one list, not a two or multiple multi-column thing, and then just place this, just activate this code, and this will find the exact matches on this find column. And if there is any exact match in one cell, then it's going to replace with the relevant replacement word. But if you want to do it like this, that whatever the matches is there, doesn't matter if there is a s after it, or there is a space before it or after it, doesn't matter. Whatever the word combination, KOMB, TOURIN, whatever the word, if there is a word turning, tornado, tornado, whatever, it is going to find the torrin, and it's going to replace it with the state, and the word on the left side of it and right side of it will keep as it is, as you can see the s here. Let me do an undo. Let me add some, maybe if you are not clear about the example. So if I'll add so many a's up before it and so many s's after it, so you can see this is a string, this is a single word with so many word combinations, small letter, capital letter. So what it's going to do, if I'll select this cell and I'll click on this one, so this is going to get evaluated, and as you can see, caravan got replaced with state. Doesn't matter is it a single word or exact match or not. So if there are any letters after it or before it, it won't mind. It will just match the word combination and replace. So these are the things. Similarly, for the add words at the end, I want to exactly know that on what range you are going to apply. Like I think you have shared another file with me. Okay, so this one. So I suppose that this is an explanation of the examples. You have given me the examples, yeah, that's right. But I want to know on what you, obviously you don't want to apply the code again and again on this particular cell. Obviously, there could be a column of the list where you want to apply the code for this one, or maybe a raw. I don't know, or maybe if you want to select it dynamically, just like I did here, that whatever the range you will select and then press the button, this code will only get applied on that particular selection. So, yep. So that is it from my side. Please let me know which one you want, the exact matches or the partial matches, or any sort of matches with the combination of these words, and then replace. Looking forward for your review. Take care.